Good morning. Welcome to week number 3 of homeschooling and your addition lesson for today. We're going to build on what we have done in the last week, but before we do that, let's just do a quick revision of what we've done before. So 245 plus 372. Nice, easy peasy sum. 245 plus break up 372. 200 plus 300 is 500. 40 plus 50, 90. 5 plus 2, 7. 597, easy peasy. Right, last week we took it a bit further. So we're going to break up 245, and then we're going to add 336, and we're going to say equals 200 plus 300, 500. 40 plus 30, 70. 5 plus 6 or 6 plus 5 is 11. Did you say that? Right. 570, 11. No such number. So we know we need our next line. So 500. 70 we keep the same. 11 we're going to have to break up to a 10 and a 1. Group our 10s together. 70 plus 10 is 80. So the answer is 581. Right, everybody got all those sums right last week, so I know you know it. So we're going to go to the next step. Okay, 373 plus 246 equals, so 100 is the same, 300 plus 200 is 500. Now we go 70 plus 40, and I know a whole bunch of you are going to get nervous to add it up. So we can go 70, and then you go 80, 90, 100, 110. Or you can say 7 plus 4 is 11, and then you put the 0 on. So it'll be 110. 3 plus 6, or 6 plus 3, whatever way you want to go, is 9. So now, if you have a look, your 500 is going to say, we won't have to break up the tens, but the number we need to break up now is the hundreds. Because look, 500, 110, 9. No such thing as a number, so that number. So write down the 500. Now we're going to break up the 110. 110. We're just going to write down the 9. Look, we've got 2 hundreds, and we've got 1 10 and 1 9. So we're going to break it. Put the hundreds together. 500 plus 100, 600. 10 and 9, 19. So 619. Okay, our next sum is 432. 432 plus 495 equals. So 400 plus 400, 800. 30 plus 90, or 90 plus 30. So we go 90, 100, 110, 120. But you can also say 9 plus 3 is 12. That gives you 120. 5 plus 2, 7. So we're going to break it up. 800 stays the same. We need to break up our 120. So it'll be 100 plus 20. And the 7 we don't need to break up, plus 7. Put our hundreds together. 800 plus 100, 900. 927. Okay, do you think you understand that? I hope so. Let's do another one. 257. That's H's hundreds, tens, and ones. Plus 486 equals 200 plus 400, or 400 plus 200, gives us 600. Right. 50 plus 80, or 80 plus 50. So count on. 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. Okay, well, as you can say, 8 plus 5 is 13, and you put on the 0. 7 plus 6, you should know that, 13. Okay, so we've got 600, we can keep. 130 we're going to have to break up, and the 13. We're going to have a nice long sentence. So, write down the 600, break up the 130, 130, and we have to break up the 13 into a 10 and a 3. So now we're going to find our families. There's the 100 family. We group them. There's the 10 family. We're going to group them. 600 plus 100 is 700. 30 plus 10 is 40. 3 plus 1 is 4, so 30 plus 10 is 40. Right, 743. So 743. Okay, let's just do one more for luck, I think. 489 plus 387 equals 400 plus 300. 4 plus 3 is 7. 400 plus 300, 700. 80 plus 80. You can count on from 80 another 8, or you can say 8 plus 8 is 16, and so it will be 160. I know that this is a very tricky line, and I know some of you are going to get confused, so ask your moms to help, or else we can meet up and I'll give you a lesson on your own, either on Zoom or on WhatsApp. Right, 9 plus 7, 16. Okay, so we're going to 700 we don't need to break up. 160, so we're going to break that up. 160. 16 we need to break up now into a 10 and a 6. Put our hundreds together, put our tens together. Okay, 700 plus 100. 7 plus 1 is 8, so 700 plus 100, 800. 6 plus 1 is 7, so 60 plus 10 is 70. So let's read it, 876. Okay, so that is the end of the lesson today. If you're not sure, go back and play it yourself again. And then if you're not sure, you can welcome to make contact with me and I will go over it with you. Okay, so all the best for today's work. Remember to set out your work nicely and just like you've been doing over the last few days. Bye.